birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dwayne. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a wish. Where are we gonna go next? Chúc cả con. Wow, happy birthday, mommy. Really quick. Wow, can't believe it. With the 14 years old only. So young and beautiful. Right. Anyway, thank you everyone for coming tonight to celebrate my wife's birthday with us. And your presence here means a lot to her and to us. So we appreciate you take the time out and join us tonight. So actually we should organize for you, but actually you did all the job for us. So appreciate that and thank you very much. Yes, we know you are just professionals, so we don't want them to ruin. So let you do all the planning, do all the, all the stuff, set up, everything. So that's what I think is what you unite. So that's good. So anyway, thank you again, everyone. Okay.
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank everyone for coming, and then thank you to Gutu Nanza Chamai for providing the tropical fruits, delicious. And then Gutu Nanza, very talented Zalaban. She made 2 very delicious cakes, so they might not look the cake. And then Senator Fong, thank you for coming. I know you're so busy, but
Not busy for you.
So thank you ก็จากนั้นก็รู้สึกตัวตอนนั้นก็คือให้ตานทองจะพูดยืด and this is a equal small celebration ก็ยังจิ๋วพูดยืดจ้องจิ๋ว family because ดูนอเจกูโมฟอร์ dancing เลยกูโมฟอร์ dancing เลยเจ most จ้า friend เขามาเยอะจ้ากูจะ friend dancing from ballroom dancing and then polka dot dancing to a few good friends of ในตัวซื้อหาจะพูดยืดจ้องเจจีเจ้าในปอดช่อง Facebook หรือในช่องตู้เชี่ยวชาญเลยจ้าที่กูจะ family ยืดจ้องหรือจีเจ้าเดีย most จี dancing อย่างเจมันน้อยเจเลยมันไหลเป็นอีมองเจไปเทลิตัวอ dancing ลีตัวช่วยทิ้งนะเสียอจังเราโซนสตูตั้งนอนในกันในลูกชีหาตัวก่องเราชับเราเลยแต่ชียงเราเลยนั่นชียงเราเลยจังซักว่าหัวตาชอบเจตรงนั้นบ่ล้อละลูกเชี่ยต้องจืดจังจงอีบ่เท่าเก่าอีเก่าโยชอย่างนั้นอจังเราในโซนตัวอีมีทีนะเจเรื่องการของนอเราตรงไปนอเจแล้วตัวเจอย่างเราจีต้องตัวนั่นเราไป dance one day and thenกูปูกลุ่มจะนอชัวไปdance Billie Jean Michael Jackson ซะ Billie Jean อีกแบบนั้น yeah so it showcase Billie Jean อีมีเปลี่ยน and then ชอบมาเจมันเราอีกเดียวอีมองเลยรู้ไรแหวนตัวเลยกูก็ชงให้เก็บไปเยอะมองเจเราใช้มันเราเจมาหมายยังมามองนั่น yeah
So we are ordering some, I would say, appetizers or snack. So it's on the way. So how you sell with the fruits on the table? We have to serve cake a little bit, and like I said, the food is on the way. So okay. So enjoy your time with us tonight.
And for my mom's birthday present, I want everyone to subscribe to her YouTube channels. She's creating new channels out there. I think it'd be great for her to get some more subscribers. Can you say what your YouTube channel names are?
I now have 2 YouTube channels. The original, I blend the name a little bit, and it's now called Me Living Stories. So Monday to Friday, I tell most of stories, dramas, success stories, or anything they provided to me. Monday to Friday, so Me Living Stories. So please subscribe. And then her second channel, I just opened it for a week. The second channel, I learned how to do mukbang. You guys know what mukbang is? You know? Mukbang? No more. Mukbang started in South Korea. And then it expanded to China, to other countries, and I don't know, at 59, I love eating in front of the camera on YouTube and Facebook. Many of you saw I'm eating on social media. So my second channel is called Me Lifestyle. So please subscribe also. And then in that channel, my contents are exercising, I'll be talking about health tips, cooking videos for the young generations, eating mukbang in front of the camera, traveling, and I will be doing more traveling on that channel. So it's pretty much my lifestyle on the Me Lifestyle channel. So please view and subscribe.
So next time you see she's eating, she does not want to share with me at all. She ate all full plate. They all me too.
All right, thank you.